What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. I might have some delay. I did get a new camera, so Logitech, we got 4K now. 4K. I know you see that. My light's not on, but sorry for no uploads. Well, yesterday I didn't upload. So alrighty, let's get started. As you guys saw by the title, I didn't end up taking a trade today. And yeah, let me explain why. So when I got onto the markets, right, let's go to the hourly. We were here, we had made this huge displacement to the downside, and this was already here, by the way. So on the hourly, I marked out these highs, and then these lows were a sweep, right? And I basically just had to be patient and see what market wanted to do. I wanted market to come up here, which was my original TP, right? And we never, well, we did end up getting up there, but it was way too quick to where I couldn't take the trade. So what happens is I just basically scale down. I see, okay, we broke 15-minute structure, and then I was seeing if we had an SMT maybe somewhere, and we didn't. So at this point, I'm just trying to see what market wants to do, right? And then I end up seeing we make this 5-minute SMT, which I'm gonna mark right here. Boom, boom. Okay, we make that 5-minute SMT, and from there, I'm still pretty iffy. I didn't know where market wanted to go, so I keep scaling down, right? Go to the 1 minute, and to be honest, the only entry I did see, so right, we already come into this area, right? So but then we break structure here on the 5-minute. After we break structure, we create this 5-minute SMT, and then technically I could start finding a trade, right? Now the only thing I didn't like is that we came in here and we came back out, right? I wanted price to at least have some playtime in here, because to me that would be like, okay, we filled some orders and came back down, right? But we just come up, come straight back down. We would never revisit that. So after that, let's see, I basically saw, oh yeah, and by the way, my overall like trend, I see price coming all the way down to here, but yeah, let me go ahead and scale down. So the only trade I could have taken today was this one, right? So we had the 5-minute SMT, 5-minute break of structure, technically just waiting for an inverse, right? If we were only bearish, this trade would have been fine, but I didn't see any good confluences that I genuinely liked that made me confident, because we also had London highs up here, so I didn't know if we wanted to sweep those out and then go lower, or so it was pretty iffy today. I just couldn't understand where market wanted to go, so I just didn't take a trade. But here, this was the only entry I saw, right? We end up inversing this, and this is after a 5-minute SMT, 5-minute break of structure, and yeah, so that's really the only one I could have taken. But even that, the risk is so much, like it's so much. It's what, 27%. Yeah, that's way too much. Taking it down to all these lows down here. So that's really it, to be honest with you guys. That's the reason I didn't trade today. And let's see, I know I didn't post a trade recap yesterday, so let me go ahead and do a trade recap for yesterday. Go on the 5-minute. Let's see, what is today? The 4th, so we need to be in the 3rd. Holy, right here. So with yesterday, I just also same thing, like we ended up just hitting some levels I just wanted to see. I can't really remember now, right? But I know I had I had this 15-minute marked because it was unmitigated. So I saw price coming down here, especially because we also had these lows above it. And then I scaled down, and at 950, like even way before 950, we end up just dumping, and we just blow past all these things I had marked off, right? On ES, I can't even show ES right now, but we end up just blowing past all these things, and I don't end up finding a trade in here. So yesterday was really simple. I just almost the same thing as today. I just couldn't find a trade, right? So we'll see what ends up happening. And a cool little update on the funded, so you guys don't think I'm lying. We're still at the same thing, 5,883, and that's about it. So you guys don't think I'm lying. We're still at the same thing. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. If you like the video, like and subscribe, comment. My Instagram's in the description. And yeah, peace.